Welcome to Emilac Online tutorial. Okay, before us again is another question in AP, and which says find the values of P and Q in the AP minus 12, P, Q, and 18. And please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every videos that will be uploaded in this platform. All right, thank you. Let's get started. Now we know that the formula for AP is given as T sub n A plus into bracket n minus 1 close bracket D, where n is the number of times, A is the first time, D is the common difference. All right, now from this now we can identify that this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and this is the fourth term. All right, we can actually solve this question using two different methods, either from using the formula itself or from the common difference. All right, well, let us use this. Now from here, now our P for term 2, so here we can see first term is minus 12 plus 2 minus 1, then the common difference D. So here this equals to P. So at the end of the day, we have that minus P plus D equals P. Okay, then for the third term here, using this formula also, minus 12 plus 3 minus 1, D equals to Q. So here we have the minus minus 12, then plus 2D equals Q. All right, and 18 is the fourth term. Here we have the fourth term, minus 12 plus 4 minus 1, then D equals to 18. So here we can say minus 12 plus 3, D equals 18. All right, so you can collect like term here from here. So here we have 3D equals to 18 plus 12, meaning transposing this over to this side, and this sign, as it crosses the equal sign, becomes plus. So you have 3D equals 30. Now in this case, what we need to do here is divide both sides by the coefficient of D. This cancel this, so our D here equals to 10. 3 here 1, 3 here 10. All right, so since our D here is 10, so we can substitute D in either of this equation 1 or this equation 2 to ensure that we get the value of P. So if I were to put the value of D here, you can see that minus 12 plus D equals to P. So here we have that minus 12 plus 10 equals to P, and minus 12 plus 10 will give us minus 2. Okay, now for the next one here, we have a minus 12 plus 2D equals to Q. So here we have minus 12 plus 2 into 10 equals to equals to Q rather. So minus 12 plus 20 equals Q. So minus 12 plus 20 will give us 8. So Q equals to 8. All right, so that is the final answer. Now the second method I said we can use is using the common difference, which is D2, this minus this equals this minus this equals this minus this, since they all have a common difference. So here we can say that P minus 12 then equals Q minus P. Then let me write it here. So here we have QP plus 12 equals to Q minus P, then equals to 18 minus Q. Now with this, now you can also get the value of P and Q. In a nutshell, this is P plus 12 equals to Q minus P. Now if you have to collect like terms here you have P plus P equals then bringing q here, minus q equals minus 12. So here you have 2p minus q equals to minus 12. This is equation 1. Now equating this with this one also, here we have that p plus 12 equals to 18 minus q. Now collecting like term here, we can have that p plus q equals to 18 minus 12. So p plus q equals to 6. This is equation 2. Now for me, if you have to equate these two, add them together. Minus q equals to minus 12, then p plus q equals to 6. Now if you add this together, this plus this, you have 3p. Now this will cancel this, that will be 0, then equals to this plus this will not give us minus 6, then p equals to minus 6 over 3, which is what, minus 2. And if you input minus 2 in either of the equation here, now from here we could get the value of your q. All right, so that is from here minus p plus q equals to 6, which will give that q equals to 6 plus 2 equals to 8. All right, either of the steps also led us to the same thing. All right, if you love this video, kindly share with your friends and folks so that they get to know this particular problem. All right, thank you and God bless you.